Hello, boys and girls. As you all know, we were going to have our graduation last Friday, and then you were going to be out for summer. So, since we were not able to have our graduation, we are going to have another week of lessons. We're going to have 2 lessons, and then the third one is going to be our graduation celebration for this week. So, the first lesson that we'll start with is going to be lesson 15, and this is Tuesday, May 12th. But before we get started, I want to let you know the schedule that you will follow to go pick up your certificate saying you passed kindergarten, your little treat bags that Miss Reed made for you, and your report cards. So let me go ahead and go over that with you first before we get started. On May 18th, that's, next Monday, from excuse me, from 12 to 1 o'clock, you'll be able to go pick it up at school. And on May 19th, Tuesday, it will be the same schedule from 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock on the 19th. So May 18th and May 19th, 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock. On May 20th, on Wednesday, if you're not able to go Monday or Tuesday, on Wednesday you can go and pick up your end of the year stuff. May 20th from 9 until 11 o'clock. So 9 to 11 o'clock on Wednesday. And then on Thursday, May 21st, if any of you have not returned your computers, if you borrowed one from the school, please bring those back on May 21st, that Thursday. So laptops need to be returned by that day. All right, so I'm going to remind you of the schedule every day so that you'll know when to go pick up your end of the year stuff. So now, let's go ahead and get started on our first lesson for this week. Again, this is Tuesday, May 12th, and it's lesson 15. And we are going to start out with a warm-up today where we sound out our letters and then you say the word. So, you're going to do your oral blending, remember, with your thumb and your fingers to make the sound. And then after we make all of the sounds, we're going to blend it to make a word. So, let's go ahead and get started on our first word on our warm-up today. This first word is going to have 4 sounds. Okay, so repeat after me. Okay? I, t, hitter. Next one also has 4 sounds. Repeat your sounds and do your motions after me. B, I, t, bitter. Okay, next. This one also has 4 sounds. B, e, t, better. This one has 4 sounds too. So let's go ahead and start this word. L, e, t, letter. Okay, good. Next word also has 4 sounds. Okay, let's sound this next word out. W, e, t, wetter. Okay, this next word, let's see, is going to have 4 sounds. Okay, B, A, N, E. Bunny. Okay. Now this next word has 6 sounds. This one's a little bit bigger. It's got 6 sounds. So let's get started. Repeat after me. T, A, D, P, O, L. Tadpole. Let's do that one more time. T, A, D, P, O, L. Tadpole. All right. Next one has 6 sounds too. So let's go ahead and do this one. 6 sounds. D, A, K, L, I, G. Duckling. Let's do that one more time. D, A, K, L, I, G. Duckling. Okay, next one also has 6 sounds. Okay, so let's get started. P, I, G, L, E, T. Piglet. Let's do that one more time. P, I, G, L, E, T. Piglet. All right. This is the last word on our warm-up, and it also has 6 sounds. All right. G, A, Z, L, I, G. Gosling. Let's do that one more time. G, A, Z, L, I, G. Gosling. All right. Now that we've gone over our warm-up, the next thing that we are going to do is I want to let you know about an activity page that I want you to do. It's going to be 15.1, and what you're going to do is match the sentence, draw a line from the sentence to the matching picture. For example, if it says pig in mud, you would draw a line from that to a picture of the pig in the mud. That's just an example. But that's the activity page that you will do. And now we're going to review our tricky words together. Okay? All right. Here's the first one. I'm going to show you, and I want you to say them. Once. One. Which. From. Was. Yellow. Look. A, or you can say blue, and red, I. 2 is. 3. The, or you can say the. Of. Are. Little. Down. Out. All. What? So. No. When. Word. Why. 2. And where. Said. Says. And that's back at where we started. Now, I know that's a lot of tricky words, but just keep going over your lessons and reviewing them. You can practice writing your tricky words. And the next thing that we are going to do is I want you to make sure that you also do in Skills 9, Lesson 15, you've already been told that you're going to do page 15.1. You are also going to do 15.2, and that is a fill in the blank with a tricky word in each sentence. So you'll have your box at the top with your tricky words to choose from, and you will read the sentence with the blank and put the appropriate tricky word, the correct tricky word that fits in that sentence. Okay? And so that is the end of our lesson 15 lesson. Do those activity pages tonight. Lesson 15.1, lesson 15.2 activity pages. Practice going over and over those tricky words where you don't even have to think about it. You can just say it just like that. So, I will be back tomorrow to do lesson 16 with you, and I hope that you will join me tomorrow. I love each and every one of you. Bye-bye.